So I'm going to be installing the floppy stage 2 today into a motor. We'll make sure everything's kind of clean back in there, no dirt and so forth. All the bearings should be technically clean. I'll show you the cam we got. It's an Elgin camshaft right here. And once I get it out, I'll show you the box and the specs. So it's all clean. I could take some brake clean just spray in there, but maybe a light would help. Looks pretty clean to me. What I'm using today is this Ultra Flick, and I'm going to cover the cam completely in it. And before I do that, I'm just going to take a little brake clean and spray this off. All cleaned off now. We're going to give it a few seconds to air dry, and then I'm going to take the assembly lube, put it on the cam, be good to go. Take a lube, apply some lube on it. Never have too much lube, so just keep applying it all over this cam. If it helps, you can put motor oil on this too, but the assembly lube should do just good. Now this is the end that faces to the outside of the motor, the front of the motor basically, where your pulley setup goes. So go ahead and make sure we got everything lubed extremely good, which it looks it. Let's go ahead and install it. Now we can use 2 bolts to help hold that, or a push rod or something. Just hold up on it and ease it in. That's the cam, guys, fully installed. Now we pour it out a little bit and turn it. We use a bolt for this. It turns extremely good. So that floppy stage 2 is pretty good to go. So that's the Elgin cam number, and that's the specs, guys, in case you was wondering. It is a floppy stage 2. So now the next step would be installing the truss plate and then putting your timing chain and gear on. But that will be another video. The floppy stage 2 is installed. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, leave a comment, and hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed already. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.